Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Shabby Dollhouse. This is Laura. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all a design team project for Crafting Me Shop, and I had so much fun working on these projects. I can't wait to share them with you. So I want to thank all of my new subscribers, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope that my projects will inspire you. So I have first this beautiful shabby chic altered bag that I did, and this is a bag from Hobby Lobby. So what I did was I layered Esme's laces along with my laces, and there's a lace behind here. So I love this. I think it's so beautiful, and I got this rose over the weekend and I had to use it on something. So I have a beautiful applique behind here from her shop, and this rose, well, flower trim is from my own stash, and I hand dyed it light pink. I think that is just so beautiful, y'all. And the handle, I put her ruffle trim on here, and I added the appliques on there as well. And this bow here is actually for your hair. I thought it was so beautiful, so I just added it on here. So of course you can just take that off if you don't like it on there. So the back is full of ruffles as well. It's just layered. Oh my goodness, I just love all of these ruffles. I think they're so gorgeous. And I have that same applique trim there. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this bag, y'all. So inside the bag I have that needle book that I shared with y'all in my de-stash video. I wanted to make a set with this bag, so I took it out of my Etsy and put it in here. So in case you missed that video, this is the needle book. I think it is so beautiful, y'all. So in here I have her beautiful CMS lace along with my vintage lace behind there. And I have her beautiful trim here with one of her little flowers and one of her appliques with some felt behind it. In here we have a really beautiful button card with this beautiful lace here. And here we have some needles. There's needles in here. So pretty. And I don't know what digital this is from. This was from a friend. So this is a big eye beading needle. And over here I have some embroidery scissors. They're brand new. And this little bitty thread card up here. And I have that same trim I used on the bag on this needle book. So over here we just have another little thread card with some ribbon on it. And that same beautiful trim here. And another one of those appliques with some felt behind it and some pins. So, so pretty. This is actually a pocket as well. Okay, so next we have a big spool card, not card, but one of those plastic spools you can get at Hobby Lobby. So I have some of my favorite ruffles on here that I have made. Oh, I gotta cut that string off. But sorry about that. Let me get that off. So that's over a yard of this pink one, and it looks like satin, but it's not. And this is actually from a shabby chic curtain that I had ripped up. So I have it on both sides, and I believe it's over a yard. This one might be a little less than a yard. So I have over a yard of this beautiful trim here that I hand dyed. And I also have a beautiful snippet roll that I made that's a yard long. So you can use it and cut it, you know, for your projects or use them on journals. And I have this beautiful, my favorite fabric here that I made a ruffle with, and that's also shabby chic fabric. And I just have it tied with this beautiful lace from my own stash here. And I just have this little pearl heart because I thought that looked so pretty. So that is all a set, and this will be listed in my Etsy shop if you're interested. I will have the link down below. Isn't that so gorgeous, y'all? I love it so much. And the other thing that I made was this beautiful heart pillow. So I've been looking for these for the longest time, but I've been trying to organize, and I finally found them. I had 2 left, and so when I found them, I was like, okay, I'm going to make another pillow with that. And so I used her beautiful French applique trim here, and I made a bow with some polka dot tulle and this other tulle to put behind the rose. And I just have some beautiful gimp trim and this beautiful lace all the way around it. This was so fun to make, and I think it's just so gorgeous, y'all. So I think it would look so pretty on your bed or sitting on a chair or on your couch. It's just so beautiful. I love this so much. So that is my projects. I really, really hope that y'all like what I have made. And I will have the link down below for Crafty Me shop if you're interested in her beautiful laces, as well as my Etsy shop. So I thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope that y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, y'all.